This is threading on a lathe, the Craftsman 101. Currently, the gear setup is where it goes from here down to this one, 32 to 16, then to 64, which on the inside there is a 8, I think it is, maybe 16, and then down to a 40. And this gear is just out of the way. The way that it feeds inward, you have to have the power feed in the down position. And I watched a few of Tubalcain's videos on threading and found some stuff and decided to give it a shot. So you can see the piece there has been cut, not great, and faced, also not that great, but it's just for demonstration. So we'll get started here. The lathe running relatively slow. Just want to touch it, zero it. There. And then down here, you can't really read that, but it's at about 15 or so. Now I'll take it back out, move the carriage down, and bring it into 15 down here. Up there, and then as you watch the thread counter, it goes around, and when either the one or the two line up with the line on top there, then you can go, and so I'll start it. You can see the threads start to form. This is aluminum, so it's a relatively easy cut. It's set up for 10 threads per inch, but I'm not sure if it's accurate to that. And that's basically how I thread with the Craftsman 101 lathe.